The third thing we're going to review is what we did on Friday, and it's called our point slope form. And that formula was y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And this is also what we did on our warm-up. So our first step is we're going to label our x1 and our y1. I want to make sure that we know exactly where those numbers go. And if we're confused on which one is x and which one is y, just remember they're in the same order of the alphabet, x, then y. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to plug into our formula. So I have y minus my y1 number, which is -8, equals my slope, which is -7/2, parentheses x, minus x1, which is 2. Remember, a huge mistake that we made on Friday was when we subtracted by a negative, we forgot that that is really adding. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that just so we don't make that same mistake. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to distribute our slope. So I'm going to make my 7.5 go right there. My 7.5 go right there. So now I have y plus 8 equals -7/2x. Let me check my calculator. When we distribute that, we end up with +7. Now we're going to move that y1 number. I need to move it to the other side of my equal sign. The opposite of +8 is -8. So I ended up with y0 equals -7/2x. 7 minus 8 is -1. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure our answer is in y equals mx plus b form. Now look at our answer, y equals our slope times x plus or minus our y-intercept. So we are good to go on that example.